need to cancel our next week lesson. It's the week of the competition, and I'm very much involved.
Okay.
So, and then another one will be the week of April 22nd. I'll be just, so if with the next week competition, I'll be in and out, kind of like, but the week of the 22nd, I'll be just from early morning until night, I'll be at the competition.
Why?
Because I'm a chair of the competition, I have to be there.
What's a chair?
So April 3rd will cancel.
We're canceling lessons, so and I cannot reschedule because again, I'm gonna be there a lot. Yes, and then 2 weeks after that, we're fine. And April 22nd that week.
Okay.
Which is the 24th is when we're canceling.
Yes.
Right.
April
24th.
Okay.
Right. Yeah. So I'll be leaving like 8 o'clock in the morning and coming back home for 7 or so.
So busy.
Yeah. So, but that will be it. That's the end of the season.
Okay.
Yeah. So last week was the festival. At least it didn't affect our schedule. Right. And yeah. So, okay. All right. Okay. So let's see what is so let's see. We're playing Journey. So it was just 16. Yeah. 15 was from the previous week, right?
Like the smell.
Oh, so yeah.
Every time I come to them, I just scratch them.
So can you tell, because I can't really tell, you crossed out so many notes.
Oh.
So
Yeah, I made a mistake here. But, like, that's also has to be eraser. Erased.
What? So let's erase everything so we can see what's written by them and what's written by you. Because you edit your own thing.
Things.
Okay, so which one?
So there's the X over there.
Right here.
Just that thing.
Exactly, because I thought that's right. So please don't add any, because otherwise, that you didn't add. So which one are we playing?
Oh yeah, X. Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Yep. Okay, there's it right. Yeah. So because I was a little bit confused.
Oh. And we have a vacation. On April 9 to. Yeah, we will miss the April 10th. Yes.
April.
So next week.
Because it's spring break.
Yeah, because it's.
Where are you going?
Clearwater.
Where?
Clearwater. Near Tampa.
I see. Yeah. Okay, it should be nice there this time of the year.
Yeah, my friend recommended us, so we both two family.
I see. Oh, that's great. So the 10th is you're not. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. So next month only have the 17th. We have only 17th.
Right, and 24th. Yes, I'm not teaching the date. Yeah. And then I will be on vacation because after all these competitions, I usually take vacation. So yeah, and I'm leaving on May 16th.
Okay.
So yeah.
And cross it out.
I'm leaving on 16th.
Oh, yeah.
And coming back on the 27th. So potentially we'll be just missing one lesson, the 22nd.
Yes.
Unless the day before they're leaving, I feel like I need that one extra day for packing, and then we will see. But for now, we're having lesson, and then we'll see. Because I'm not sure what time we're leaving on the 16th, but that's when I'm taking vacation. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So, yeah, we're gonna have just one lesson on the 17th in April. Yeah, this is the time of year, but then it's much easier, and the weather's gonna be nice.
I might do poorly on the 17th after not practicing for a week.
It's okay. I mean, but our lesson's on Wednesday. You're probably coming back on the weekend.
We do?
Right?
No, we come back Tuesday night.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, all right.
I missed 2 days.
Oh, I see. So you're coming back on the 16th of April.
Yeah. We will come back on the 16th.
I see. It's okay. So it's still we're gonna have a lesson because you will have time to practice before that. So and then I could give you homework for the following weeks, and so so it's okay. All right. So this is right. This is right. Yes. Right. Yes. Yeah.
It all makes sense.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. So 17 is. Let me explain what we'll be doing here. And I'm probably gonna ask you to do 2 pages since we're not having lesson next week. And even though you will be traveling the week after that, still you have 2 weeks for practicing for sure,
Yeah.
right? So you're gonna do 17th and 18th.
I hope
So,
the 2 weeks pay off and like I remember something.
okay, so the 17th, what you need to do.
I could always bring a cardboard. Yeah, no, but that wouldn't
Yeah,
be the
that's
same
not gonna.
effect.
No. I actually prefer not to rather than yeah. So here, all you do is just copy. So you write down
Okay.
4 more of these, 4 more of these, so 4 times each. And then here you write 4 times like this, but it's just they placed like this. Right here, you don't add any bar lines because some students are like, oh, there's so many notes, I need to add bar lines. No, we need to transform some of the notes into different lengths to make the correct amount of counts.
Yeah.
So for example, we need to have 3 counts altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 notes. So what can you do?
The 1 and 2 and?
You can do 1 and 2 and 3, and so you can do, right? Or you can do group of 16th notes and 2 quarter notes, right? Or you can do triplet, then 2 eighth notes and 1 quarter note. So there are different ways how you can do that, right? So
be
creative. Exactly. See, you read my mind. Okay, so that's what you do on 17th. Let's take a look at 18th. Notes. And if you write them correctly, the words will be spelled. Okay, right here you need to find all C's everywhere. Remember those C's that you will be practicing here?
Yeah.
Right, so all of these, you need to hunt for them right here. Okay. Hunting C, right, exactly. And then here, you know how every black key has 2 names? Look, we can name this F sharp or G flat, right? So you're going to be pointing out, like, here it is. This one is C sharp and D flat. This one is F sharp and G flat. So that's what you do. And then right here, you will be doing similar thing as you do here, except that instead of names, we have the actual notes, and they tricked us a little bit. For example, we have G flat and then A flat. So obviously, it's not going to be pointing out to the same key. Or A sharp. These are all 3 different keys. So they tricked us. Don't assume it's going to be exactly okay. This 2 goes here. This will go. Okay, so it's not like that. All right. So 17 and 18 for next time, which is April 17th, exactly. Right, after your vacation. Yes. Yes, exactly. So today is 27th, I believe. Yeah.
The 27th.
So you already practiced today, all right?
You know why I got all scabby here? Because I accidentally thought that was Monday.
Oh, I see. So I'm writing down, you're leaving on the 9th, right?
Yes.
So if I miss something, you will just do it. Okay. All right. So theory. Lesson.
I think we leave on the 9th, like at nighttime.
Okay, so you
So
so you're gonna fill in whatever you if you practice in addition to it. Okay. All right. So, but you do have quite a bit of time, right?
Yeah.
So altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 days. Okay. Yeah. All right.
Maybe
So
2 more days, maybe more.
but you're coming that the night before the lesson.
Yeah, but it's like early release, so I still get like.
I see.
Yeah,
Oh, that
yeah.
day. Right. On the 16th, right. Okay. So let's do stilts and wings. Okay, now we have exercise 11, 12, 13 minuet and sonatina, right? We didn't play Sonatina last time. We spent quite a bit of time on our technique, and we played Minuet, right? So let's see. I'm just thinking.
Pretty hard on the journey.
A turning. Okay, so you want to start with those? Okay, so 11 is the Tempest 144, 12 is Tall Pinky, and 13. So all of them from memory? Yeah.
Yes.
11, 12, 13. Okay, and then Minuet is also the memory. Right, I think so, no?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So the only thing that is not the memory is
Sonatina.
Right. Okay, so we'll see, because at some point I probably would like you to add some new pieces, but with missing lessons we'll have to see how it's going to be. Obviously it's not going to be today, because it's going to be coming after vacation, so, but maybe, well, we'll see.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so let me hear number 11. Okay. Pinky, hook, fingering, blue flag.
Yeah, because my people.
Yeah. Okay. Let's try faster. Okay, let me check what 144 is. What right? That's about what you're playing right now. No, it's just to be really.
Oh, really?
So what you're playing is about 144 right now, right? Okay, so you've tried playing this. It's not the first time. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. So Tall Pinky, and that's it. Like you played before. Da da dee da dee da dee da. We don't separate it. There's no reason to separate it. It's very easy. You don't need to look at the keys when you play it. So because left hand might need a little bit more attention. Yeah. So right hand just play it without looking. It's hard to play when you lower like this. Much easier. Much easier this way. You played it really well, everything except for the last part. It's like a different person comes in and plays right here. And the reason is, do you know why? What was no? Okay, play it again, and maybe, because if you will be able to figure out, then you can fix this kind of stuff at home. You don't need to wait until you come here, right? One memory. So you can look at your hands, fingers, so then you can analyze. Yeah. So first of all, do you hear? You make a pretty big gap. You can. We don't have it. So alright? So, but specifically look at your hand when you're playing this part. Right hand. And you find the answer. Yeah, the answer is there, but I don't know if you see the answer.
Is it my pinky?
It's your pinky and your hand is open position. For some reason. It's much harder to play. It's you keep your hand open and see what I'm doing? I'm right here. It's much easier. I'm right here. And you play. I'm exaggerating, of course, but that's kind of the. And if you would have noticed that, you would have fixed that at home. And I mean, it's just not like it's this part any different from other parts. We always say toe pinky, toe fingers, and family, right? So, and then for some reason you were not doing the same way as everywhere else, right? And then that's what's causing the problem. Okay, can you play this? Toe pinky, you keep doing that. Can you play right hand alone and just check what we need to do? Just right hand.
Okay.
Well, you haven't finished. So again. The whole line. Yes, of course, but you're not playing like this. Again. Yes, of course. I don't understand why you separating like this. Even if you can't reach an object, it's not reason to jump like this. Think of gliding rather than jumping. Exactly. And then that's it. We don't need family anymore. Gliding. Play this multiple times, like you feel. Yeah. Stronger fingers. Did you practice on this part more than other parts? So we're still playing.
Well, I guess yes.
Okay, so but try to identify the problem because I can't possibly predict what else what kind of problem will occur, right? So I told you, told Pinky, cook. That means it applies to this part too, right? I didn't say that. Okay, except section number 4, right? So obviously that would be ridiculous, right? So apply this knowledge to everything, especially when we have these guys because these guys are not very strong. So yeah, so number 11, keep practicing. Okay. And then 144 is the tempo you should play from you right away without warm up. Yeah, right away. Yeah. Toe, pinky, family. You still were messing up a couple of times with the B flat, right? No gaps.
No gaps.
Right. Yeah, so these are things confusing you. Alright, number 12, it's about memory. Do you have any specific tempo?
No, we do
specific
not.
tempo. Okay. Because this one is not fast, right? So that's it. Yeah, of course. This one we're done with. This one's okay. Not all the notes were clearly played like 100%, but overall it's not that. So this one's fine. Number 13 is also from by memory, right? So we might start a new one today. We'll see. Okay. Okay. Stop for a second and then tell me what is it we don't want to hear in this exercise.
Oh, shit.
So okay. Well, you know the answer, right?
Yes.
How come do you think you played with that G somewhat heavily? So my question is, at home when you practice, do you pay attention to such things, or are you just kind of trying to get the notes, fingering under control? Because you knew the answer, you gave me the answer right
Yes.
away, so that's awesome, right? Okay.
I do sometimes forget.
All right, but these things, so that also tells me that you're not listening like very carefully, okay? Because otherwise you'd be able to like, oh, that G is kind of heavy. Okay, all right. So let's try it again. What do we have on section 4 there? What kind of technique? Do you remember? Because it's slightly different from the rest of this, right?
Rolling?
What do we have?
Oh, U shape.
U shape. Can you demonstrate it to me? No. Exactly. And this is the cut action. U shape, short, U shape, short. See that? So trying to make it very, very obvious. Okay. Alright, so now we need to play faster. Because this was very slow. Okay. Let's see. One, two, three, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 144. I guess that's our tempo. Okay. Boom, boom. Okay, for every 8 notes. Okay, let's try. Ready? Here. Bobby, 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 Bobby. That's exactly, yeah. Much faster. Play left hand along with you. So it's going dee-da, dee-dee, da-da. That's not that difficult. Bobby, Bobby. It's actually still kind of on a slower side. All in the front. Dee-da, da-da, dee-da, da-da, da-da, dee-da. Yeah, I probably need to give you time to get closer, but this is your tempo, right? So, and don't forget about U shape. Right? So, obviously by memory, right? So, and you're probably gonna start new one.
14.
Yeah, well, you have time.
More spanking.
Yeah, exactly.
We had spanking for weeks by now.
Okay.
We just
Right. So we might then do 15 first because you'll be kind of on your own, and this is the notes are super easy on number 15.
Okay.
So this is marching. And you need to learn it really well. You'll be gone.
And then I write for it.
So, again, the notes are super easy here. All technique is on right hand, just simple scales. Marching, 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 marching. Because we played something similar, just a different version.
a new student at school.
Really?
Yeah, and then she's gonna be here for a week, and then it's spring break.
Oh, I see. So fingering exactly. So where the student moved from somewhere?
Yeah.
Oh, not from far away.
No.
What's that?
And it's pouring again.
Exactly. No surprise. Okay, so I marked down some of the fingering. This is exactly the same as this one here. Okay, so number 15 is new, okay? But learn it well. So what kind of technique?
Marching
Marching flutes.
on the right hand.
Yeah, I love them just long chords. Notice it's all treble clef on left hand.
Okay, I'm not gonna make the same mistake as the
Mhm.
number.
I'm just gonna step out for a second.
Are you gonna do a minuet? Let's see, dum bum 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 bum.
So Santina, we play both hands together, right? Do we?
Yes. I just can't.
Okay, so you know what, let's play Sonatina. Because we don't play both, I can't put this aside.
I call it minuet.
The minuet is different.
Yeah, minuet is the other
Yeah,
part.
so let's play this one. Okay, let me hear. So both
Oh, yeah.
hands together.
And I have one question.
Go ahead.
Before we
Okay.
start.
Mhm.
What's the fingering for this part?
Do we have many options? Alright, try. You're talking about left hand, right?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, try to play it. I don't think we have that many options.
Is it? Because I can't exactly.
Can't go slow. I just because very often you will need to figure out fingering on your own.